So I'm concerned about the sump pump wall that you took out in the bedroom downstairs. So this is the wall in the kitchen here, which is shared by this wall down here that comes down along here. And this is the stairs from downstairs. And this here is the same wall that goes into the sump pump, and you want to remove this wall. I don't know if that's a good idea.